Hey everyone is talking about MCP, but how you can practically use it as an agent. So LUMO is one of the framework that allows you seamless integration with MCPs, and we'll learn about how you can use it as a server or as a CLI agent. So let's begin. So let's talk about LUMO. So LUMO is a Rust-based agent, just which is just like small agent. It also provides you easy integration with MCPs, and you can deploy it as a CLI. You can deploy it as a server, run it as a CLI agent, and yeah. So these are the things that has been integrated. With agents, it provides tool calling agents, code agent, MCP agent, planning agent, and multi-agent support as well. Find it at our Starlight Search repository. Then you can go to Lumo and you are good to go. Okay, so I'll tell you today I'll totally focus on how you can deploy it on server. So do tracing, etc. with line views, but more on that later. Go run package Lumo server. Then features MCP. Correct? Yeah. Now your service is running on this port. Now you can check it with Postman easily. Uh, so you can go to Postman and you can provide a body. We have already given an example of body. I think it's here. Yeah. So let's go to JSON, paste it, and then post run. Okay. So what's the weather in London? It is using DuckDuckGo and visit website. I'll tell you how to make it into MCP. Right now it is using function calling. Right now, okay, 15 degrees Celsius. To change it into MCP, you have to change the agent type. Here you can change it to MCP, and then you have to comment out tools, and then you have to add anything that is maybe let's just begin to understand how to aid an MCP. So you have to go to the file explorer and you have to search the config. Home there will be one .config file in which you will find both how to configure your CLI and how to configure your servers. So here, if you go and search LUMO server, you will find all the MCP and other configs that you can make changes into. And this is file system, and this is how it runs. To actually run it, you will have to do npx this pass this argument and give the folder actually as well. So you can play around with system prompt if you want to tune the agent's behavior. So now let's just run it and send and see what it returns. So here in Postman, sorry. Okay, so if I want to run file system, I'll say what are the files available, files in the folder. So, okay, okay, so it returned there how many what files are present in the folder. If you want to run it as a CLI agent, you can go to your WSL and then uh, yeah, and then just do LUMO agent type and MCP, and then it will start working. Now you can run with available MCP. How to configure that has been given in the README. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon.